Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. May 5, our market closed higher, up 1.31 points or up 0.01% to close at 6,685.66. Value turnover is at 3.9 billion pesos. So this is ex block sale. So if you notice, there are several block transactions which includes yung tender offer ng to go. No? So anyway, inflation also is to at least 6.6%, which is lower than the estimates of 7% and uh, near to the range na binigay ng BSP at 6.3 to 7.1%. So let's hope na inflation already peak and for a market, uh, sana mag-pause na, no, ng rate hike. Then let's start cutting rate hike next year. No? Right now, kasi for every increase ng interest rates, uh, it's spelling trouble for the Philippine equities. Why? Why will you still risk trading the stock market? The risk-free rate is much higher. No? If you place it in the corporate bonds or even other interest savings, they're already giving 6-8% per annum. Kay Maya is giving 10%. Of course, that's a promotional ano lang naman. No? But, di ba? So, yun yung point ko doon. Unlike na if interest rates are very low, the BSP is encouraging people to spend, no? Borrow money to 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 do some developments, construction, to boost economic activity. Diba? Rate hike tayo, rate hike. No? So, the cost of money, the cost of borrowing will be much higher. This is also the reason why several property names are listing via IPO. No? Kasi mahal. Anyway, uh, yun. 1-1 na ang ano, no? Golden State and Lakers. But Sunday ngayon, talo ang Golden State. No? Grabe. Anyway, Converge also launched its fiber broadband in Boracay as part of their completion of its network for the entire Panay Island for 2 billion pesos. No? So, ongoing expansion spree. No? Unfortunately, the stock price is lagging behind. No? Parang the last time it went to 11 pesos, it went to as high as 19 pesos. Right now, it's umabot na naman doon. Grabe. Talagang very competitive ang telco industry. That yun nga, PLDT will be also allocating around 80 to 85 billion for their capex, which is yun nga, a big chunk will be earmarked to pay for their overruns. So, speaking of ano, no, this year I think we will experience El Nino. No? So, even the Whatsa activity ni San Juan, no, will be suspended next month, June 24. We need to conserve water. No? So Manila Water will also minimize the level of its non-revenue water this year after posting a water loss of around 13% last year. Uh, by the way, no, Bongbong Marcos also went to US and then to the United Kingdom for that coronation, no, ni King Charles. No? But sabi nga ni President Marcos and his Magnificent Seven, no, may kita mo naman sino din yung malakas kay sa industry na to, no, sa administration na to, no, that the private sector, no, si Tessie Coson, Ramon Ang, etc., no, they were able to secure around 1.3 billion dollar in pledges from his US trip. Of course, these are pledges, laway pa lang yan, until pumasok yung pera here, no. Of course, but these are US companies eh. So medyo mas malaki, mas realistic compared to other countries na ang dadami ng pledges but ilan lang ba natuloy, no? Speaking of that Magnificent Seven, no, makikita mo na that Dennis Uy is not part of that trip. Talagang di ba? That's the problem with this environment, no? Uh, malakas siya sa previous administration. This year, hindi. Kaya I really try to avoid yung mga ganong stocks, no? 'Di ba? Right now, his PHR is bleeding and hindi pa niya nababalik yung 1 billion deposit ni Bloomberry sa kanya, no? So, even Family Mart are starting to close some stores. Sinabi nila for upgrade, di ba? At parang sabay-sabay naman. No? By the way, sarap daw ng bagong cake ng Contis. No? Anyway, FGen's energy arm also powers the facilities of PLDT and smart communications, no? In Visayas with the renewable energy. So, yun. URC also posted a flat net income of around 3.6 billion in the first quarter due to higher financing costs and non-cash impairment of their farm business. FYI lang. No? Taas kasi ng inflation. Talaga, everyone's affected. Ali, no? Grew its net income by 42% year-on-year to around 4.5 billion in the first quarter. No? So, sabi naman nila, residential demand remained resilient. So, FNI, no, which is down 3.3%. No? This is just following the price action of Nickel Asia. No? Batman and Robin talaga to. No? But they receive an ISO certification for the environmental management system. DNL, no? Which is starting to launch their Batangas plant by June, no? At least your first phase, no? So their net income dropped by 24% year-on-year to around 594 million in the first quarter. So what's good about DNL is yun nga, kahit high inflation, they have a pass-through provisions, no? Sinilipat lang sa consumers yan, eh. No? Parang naman yung Chicken Joy ng Jollibee. Kahit naman tumas yung presyo ng Chicken Joy, people will still go to Jollibee to eat Chicken Joy. No? Dati, 33 pesos lang yan. Chicken Joy. Anyway, Metrobank net income surged around 10.5 billion in the first quarter, which is up 31% year-on-year. This is propelled by the combination of the expansion of its lending portfolio, higher margins, and healthy fee income. No? Amidst an improved asset quality. Cebu Pacific for the first time, no? Return to profitability. No? Remember the past 2 years, 3 years of pandemic, they keep reporting their performance based on revenues. No? Kasi laki talaga ng losses nila dyan. When you buy aircraft, kinakarga sa libro yan. No? That's why they're losing money, panay upgradement. But for the first time in many years, they returned to profitability as they posted a net income of around 1.1 billion driven by recovery of its passenger business, no? Which at least generated 14.3 billion, which is 352% higher year on year. No? Everyone's going out. Everyone's traveling. Uh, what else? MPI, no? 4 point something. I'm not tracking. Sabi naman ni Manny Pangilinan, no, business as usual as they privatize MPI, no? As they file their tender offer requirements sa PSE, I expect MPI to close the gap from the market price to the tender offer price. Of course, we will start selling na, no? People ask, no? It's the biggest net foreign buying the past few days, no? So is it a good indicator? I don't know. When I bought MPI at 360, it was foreign selling before. No? Ang kalaban ko, foreign. No? And I keep on buying. And I told you guys, no? Why we bought MPI early this year. True enough. Yun nga, may laro. Right now, it's surging. I'm the one selling naman. No? I started selling. Ang dami kong hawak kasi. No? Last 2 weeks yata, na-buyback ko eh. You know? Before they announced their tender offer. The price action confirms my theory. But anyway, we're making money. So, who cares, no? The problem with us, when we say foreign kasi, it's not Filipino. Yun lang yun. No? We have that impression na foreign buying, good yan. Foreign selling, bad. No? I don't know. If that's what you think, then so be it. But ako naman, as long as we make money. Diba? Tony Tiu, by the way, also resigned sa board ng Green Energy. No? So, I hope he focuses on Ani so that one of our viewers will be happy that Annie will go to 10 pesos and then eventually 100 pesos. So, yeah. He also resigns sa Greenergy, Infra, Ever, etc. CLI, no? First quarter consolidated revenues is also up 33% year on year to around 4.78 billion, while net income is up, no? 10% year on year to around 888 million. FYI lang. Anyway, no? Let I bought a stock. So I expect some deals to happen in the next few weeks. Let's see if it's true. If not, then I'll just probably throw it. No? Diba? So yun, our passcode for today is Lakers. No? Sila rin nalo ng game, ano na ba? No? Game 3. No? Grabe, tambak. So again, thank you very much for listening. No? So shout out to our viewers, no, who's been religiously listening to this channel. So there are questions here. No? Of course, we don't answer until we reach 100,000 subscribers. No? So, yeah. Isaiah Del Resio, David Arinas, Jason Chan, Angel Rock, Abanila Emerson, New Wave Circle, ERC. No? Parang ayoko na umasa sa Espinik. No? Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. No? So last Friday, there was also a big block sale around 1 peso and 25 centavos. I'm not sure if that's already Manny Pangilinan. No? Amounting to 2 billion. ERC, John Edison Aquino, Jamie Velasco, Jennifer Oliver Wendelgo, Jocelyn Alcober, JF Real, Jerwa, and JDN Blueberry. Thank you very much. Bye.